The way when things dey go now, my people, e be like say Tonto Dike and Kpokpogri wan start another wahala. No be small thing, no, because of this picture when Tonto Dike post when e be Kpokpogri bestie before, when e dey go viral right now. Kpokpogri sef e don react, my people, no be small thing. But before I go dey tell una wetin dey shele, make I first throway salute for all of una. Hello my correct people, you are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throway ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, this Kpokpogri and Tonto Dike wahala, e be like bag of rice when e dey heavy, no be small, my correct people. Kpokpogri don finally react to the picture when e dey go viral. But before I go dey tell una the full gist when e dey for that side, make I first quick throway this one for now when e concern Bobrisky. Una know say Bobrisky and the same Tonto Dike dey used to be bestie, dem no be bestie again. So some few months ago now we come see say one of e PA when they call Oye sef come drag Bobrisky leg come out. E come make us dey understand many things about Bobrisky when we no know. Come dey make us dey understand say Bobrisky sef na fake life na e dey live, my correct people. E no too tey na she come share some video and some picture when she take dey for hospital, say she no well, say something like korokoro catch am. During that process, a lot of people sef come dey pray for am. Bobrisky sef, when everybody no expect say e go fit get church mind like that, say forgive am, e come dey pray for am. E come talk say e don forgive am, e come wish am speed recovery. My correct people, e be like say the thing e say e don touch am, say the way Bobrisky take come pray for am, e no expect am for all the things when he do sote he drag Bobrisky, knack Bobrisky head, and this mofa crack their heads together. So Bobrisky na the last person when she ever expect say e go even check on her when she dey sick, my correct people. Right now she dey make us dey understand say he dey fly down to Nigeria. He won't come Nigeria, he won't come see Bobrisky face to face again, my correct people. Na sure say this one no be another gbasgbos. Another reason when she dey give us when e make her she won't fly down to Nigeria, she talk say this year is ending well cause I'm going to Nigeria to see my former boss Bob this December to ask for real forgiveness face to face, because I don't want enter 2022 like this. My correct people, wetin be una advice? Una advise this babe make e come Nigeria, because we don't know whether na mouth that she just dey tear. And I know say this Oye na person wey be like say still like attention, not be small. Whether she go come Nigeria or whether she just dey tear mouth, we don't know, my people. If e be say she go come, na advise her, because the way I dey see things now, I'm not sure say for the fact say Bobrisky just talk say he wish you speed recovery, come mean say everything don comot for im mind, because this Oye wahala when e cause for Bobrisky and this mofa no be small thing, my correct people. Make I leave una for here, make una drop una own comment below at the comment section, make I bounce to the other side of the gist. Yes, my correct people, never too tey when I first drop one picture when e dey go viral, when Tonto Dike and this Kpokpogri ex bestie wey dem dey call Mayor, when dem take picture, when dem go church on Sunday. So that picture now dey go viral. A lot of people come dey talk say whether Mayor and this Tonto Dike, whether they shop themselves. That one na wetin many people sef come dey think, you know. So many people sef come be like say dem come dey tag this Kpokpogri dey join am. I don't know how im take see am. I mean, na person wey be say if you see, you no dey close mouth. Before you know it now, im say many people dey talk say na im ex bestie, na im bestie. So how Tonto Dike go fit date im bestie? Even though say Tonto Dike wan date person, e no suppose date the bestie. Anyway, Tonto Dike come out, come clear the air. People when they think say any man when Tonto Dike just stand with, e just me say e dey date that person. So this Kpokpogri don see shook im head come out again. Don dey make us understand say this blessing una dey call say na im bestie, then we are never bestie. Say in short, say na im boy na im be, na errant boy na im be. Say na message na im dey send am, my people. This na the letter, abi the post when he make, when he take send am to everybody who no know, make e know say this blessing they were never bestie. This na wetin write, my correct people. E come talk say in respect to your most recent post, I would like to set the record straight. I haven't at any point in time mentioned to your organization or anyone else that Blessing Ogo aka Mayor was at my point in time my best friend or a close friend. This is clearly a misconception on your part, and I would humbly request that you correct ASAP. He is an acquaintance assistant who formerly helps me with errands. I believe you understand the meaning of close friend. Kindly correct the notion of him being a close friend, please, as it is misinforming and inflate defamation. Thanks. My correct people, this gbogbo don't come carry grammar throw away again. My correct people, he say this blessing when everybody they refer to and say na him bestie e be so, because we know say this blessing na because say he helped on to DK the time when be say in with gbogbo they drag themselves and like I pass my neighbor, this blessing helped on to DK well. So this gbogbo now they tell us say no being friend, they will not get time when they take be friend at all before say na in era boy, that is now boy omo kekere, say na message na in the sinner. My correct people, I want make una look that picture when all of them take stay, that three of them when they take did that picture. Who una think say e be like boy for that picture? Make una set, make una differentiate am. Who resemble boy for that picture? So my correct people, e be like say this bobo gree dey like wey people dey drag am every time. So for the fact say this picture dey go viral, and that means say e still dey pain am. That means say e still get interest for Tonto Dike, because if the thing no concern you, you suppose throway face. This na the person wey e be say the same day when with Tonto Dike break up, the same day they no break put. Now that same day, now he go make friend with Bobrisky. Now that same day, now he start to follow Bobrisky. Now that same day, now he go make friend with the Shoshi and their wife. Start to follow them for their handle. Una hear say Tonto Dike make pem. Tonto Dike not talk. Why? Because that one a sign of maturity. Only this picture when they go viral now the thing they pepper you. You say you know go shop. You don't want to make another person shop. And moreover, self, this Tonto Dike self not be say they date this person. Only picture for the fact say you and Tonto Dike una no dey again. Me say everybody when they around Tonto Dike, when he know you know Tonto Dike, all of them go become her enemy automatically. I don't understand my correct people. So me I not understand. Some people they talk say maybe another wahala won't start, because he never too say when he be say Tonto Dike come out, he talk say this December say the something just looks too quiet, say no single wahala, no single violence for social media. What is happening now? There Tonto Dike drop this one, he say why is the internet so calm? I'm sure we are saving all the violence for Xmas. So my correct people, now sure say another violence self e no go start again between Tonto Dike and this Gbogbo. I think say Gbogbo sef don learn in lesson. E suppose keep quiet. All these things when e don happen between am, the one wey e do Jemina and different things, e suppose hide itself. Whether Tonto Dike take picture with person, whether e dey date person, no dey date person, this something no suppose, e no suppose concern am. If not be say jealousy still dey worry am. So my correct people, na the way I think am, na so I take talk. And one month na throw una own comment below at the comment section. How una see am, how una think am, make I leave una for here. If update still dey, I go still come drop am for una the way dey hot like Timaya. My correct people, abeg, if you be say today na your first time when you come across my channel and you like my video and you never subscribe, abeg make you not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you know, if you dey miss am. And now when be my returning subscribers, God will bless una for me. When I tell they help me, they watch my video, God will continue to bless una for me. And that's why they pray for una every day. You go they bless una yafu yafu. I will see you very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.